Welcome back to Glue Design Lab. I am Guru and today we are going to model this beautiful two-tone sunflower bangles from scratch in SOLIDWORKS, realistic gold and silver appearance. Let's jump into the software and let's get design. So first we need to close this exercise and then we start from a sketch and select part and then OK. Select a sketch tab and go to circles, select front plane and create two circles from origin of 23 mm and 20 mm. Then go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it from mid plane and extrude 4 mm and then select OK. Go to fillet tab and select these corners and this parameters is 0.65 and then select OK and then select front plane and go to sketch and then go to center line, make a center line here like this. Select and go to smart dimension and measure this dimension is 0.34. This one is 0.13. Select enter. Go to tangent arc and make a arc right here and then select OK. Go to smart dimension and this angle is 0.45. Select OK. Go to line and make this line from here to here and go to trim entities and trim these entities. Then select OK and select this line and make it whole line and select OK. Then go to features tab and select revolve boss base and select this reference line next to revolution. Then select OK and then select this upper face and select a sketch. Create a reference line from here to here. Create 2 points like this. Go to a smart dimension and make it 0.1 and 0.45. Go to a SP line, select, go to smart dimension and make it 0.9 and select OK and go to mirror entities and entities to mirror, then select this line and mirror about this line, then select OK. Go to linear sketch pattern, then select circular sketch pattern, make it 12 and entities to pattern, select these two lines, then select OK. Go to features tab, select extrude boss face, select up to surface and then select the surface and select this offset and make it 0.1. Select OK. Go to chamfer tab and select this face and then select OK. And then go to circular sketch pattern and select and select this direction, make it 25 and then select OK. Change this apply scene to plain white and then select this all lines and go to appearance and scene and select gold from here and then select polished gold, then select this two faces and go to appearance and select here from bronze, select polished bronze. You can see here the results. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. This is ready.